Are you searching for best vinyl cutting machine in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best vinyl cutting machines on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2 Vinyl Cutter. Cricut has been making vinyl cutting machines for a long time, which are great for using at home thanks to their form factor and features, which are perfect for home usage. Customizing cards, creating iron-on stickers for t-shirts, designing wall decor for home or office, and much more becomes easy with the uber cute Cricut Explore Air 2 cutting machine. With double the speed than its predecessor, that precisely cuts all craft materials with simplicity. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity and a cloud-based app that works on Windows, Mac, iOS and Android systems, get access to thousands of customizable designs and templates to ace the DIY game. Delve into majestic creativity with this cutting, writing, and foiling magic creator that is compatible with 6 tools, exploring around 100+ materials to uniquely present your crafting skills. The tools work in line with popular craft materials like cardstock, vinyl, and HTV iron-on to specialty materials like glitter paper, cork, and infusible ink sublimation sheets, highlighting your detailed writing tips. Creating pro-level foil embellishments and scoring an ace would now become simpler with additional tools like scoring stylus, foil transfer tool, and deep point blade. 1-year warranty. Number 2. Silhouette America Ink Cutting Machine. Silhouette America is another popular brand of vinyl cutting machines, since you can find a lot of practical and versatile options when you are talking about home usage. The Silhouette Portrait is our smallest desktop cutting machine. It's perfect for cutting materials up to 8 inches wide and up to 60 feet long. The Portrait is ideal for cutting any letter and A4-sized materials like paper, cardstock, and sticker sheets, as well as longer rolls of material like vinyl or heat transfer. The Portrait 3 was built with ease and portability in mind. Take it with you on the go for whenever creativity strikes. Number 3. Cricut Maker Smart Cutting Machine. Cricut also offers slightly more premium and expensive options for those who are willing to go with a larger vinyl cutting machine but still need one which is viable for home use. Customizing 3D art, home decor, jewelry, paper projects, and more becomes easy with the Cricut Maker that virtually cuts anything with its advanced suite of tools. With 10x more cutting force than any Cricut Explore series machines, this versatile machine with adaptive tool system delivers pro-level cuts. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity and a cloud-based app that works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems, get access to thousands of designs to ace the DIY game. Delve into majestic creativity with this cutting machine that is compatible with 13 tools for scoring, engraving, debossing and more, exploring around 300+ materials like fabric, paper, matte board, leather and more to uniquely present your artistic skills. 1-year warranty. Number 4. Brother ScanNCut DIY Cutting Machine. Brother is primarily a brand of printers and scanners that also offers a few vinyl cutting machines that combine with their scanner units for versatile use. The Brother ScanNCut DXSDX125 EGY was designed for the hobby enthusiast who is looking for an efficient and clean way to cut materials such as felt and foam without frays or damage. Brother's AutoBlade sensor technology automatically detects the thickness of your materials to cut precise custom and built-in patterns. The SDX125 EGY comes with over 680 built-in designs, including 100 quilt patterns and 9 letter fonts. These provide you with multiple ways to quickly create and edit designs on the 5-inch LCD touchscreen display. 1-year warranty. Number 5. USCutter MH871 Vinyl Cutter. This vinyl cutting machine is 2 fully adjustable pinch rollers allow you to use a flexible range of materials. Vinyl rolls, transfer tapes, magnetic blanks, knife, squeegee, lifetime phone support, roll-in compatible blade holder gives you access to the most economical blades available. Superior ball-bearing dual roller media roller system. 34-inch MH vinyl cutter with stand plus design and cut software. 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching. subscribe our channel and stay with us.